So I know it's not Halloween or anything, but I really want to look bloody. And because I am me, I am going to make myself look bloody. Like, don't you just ever wake up and feel like you want to look like a vampire who just ate a whole smorgasbord of people?
I know I do.
Because we're doing blood as the main focus, the eyes will be rather simple. But I do want a wing, because I feel like that just works with a vampire, you know? Do something like this and just cleaning up a little bit because I'm not the best at eyeliner. Some Tarte Fake Awake in the waterline because we went with such cool toned colors in the eyes. I'm gonna be going in with a warm toned brown underneath. It's okay if one side is uneven, just take a light color or setting powder and blend it out. Because we're doing a bit of a vampy look, I'm gonna be changing my blush a little bit to a more berry toned, I think. Perfect. I also want really intense highlighters, so I'm gonna go in with my Moon Garden palette and oh, yes, Danny. I'm sure that pissed off someone, but you know what? You're welcome. For lips, I'm gonna use Femme Fatale by Isadora. And I want a little beauty mark right here. For the blood portion of this, I'm gonna be wetting a brush and just go in with that brush on a red pigment because I don't have fake blood in this. I don't know. Likewise, I also think it's important for it to sort of have, you know, drop down a little bit. And what I want to do is add a few gems here and there. Not gonna lie though, they could have been a little more reddish than yellow. So now that I'm done, I'm wondering why the fuck I did all this. No, but like, we're gonna finish off the look now. Taking a clear gloss and mixing that with the red pigment and sort of layer that on top. And here we are with the final look. It quite possibly does look more like a rash, but I don't know. I like it. It's certainly something different. That's for sure. Goodbye.